So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung Galaxy A16 frozen and unresponsive and the hang problem. So guys, if you're facing these type of issues in your new Galaxy 16 5G, so you just follow this video. I will give you some basic things that help you to refresh your phone. Okay, first thing is guys, make sure your phone is always up to date. For this, simply go to the settings. In the settings section guys, move downward and tap on the option of software update. After that, go to download and install, and please make sure that your phone is updated with the new software. Okay, then guys, you try to clear your system caches. For clearing the system caches, you simply go to your phone storage. Simply go to the storage. Here simply search in your setting. Okay, and guys, here you see the option of unused app, duplicate file, large file and recycle bin. So anything in the recycle bin, you simply delete all these things. Okay, another thing, unused application and duplicate files, please remove all of them. Then go show more. Here it gives you the detailed view of your applications. So you choose any of the section that you want to delete, like you have the extra videos, so you just go here and you directly delete the item from there. Okay, then guys, you try to uninstall the problematical app, like if any particular application creating the issue. So guys, you try to uninstall. For just simply long press on it, and here you simply, I think all these application are stock, so you just long press it and simply disable. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, make sure that you have the sufficient storage in your phone. If you have the less storage, so maybe you're facing this issue again and again. Okay, so these are the things that you remember while using your phone. Okay, and you have the sufficient power and the battery in your phone, and you also disabled your power saving mode here. Because when I go here, if you turn on your power saving mode, it limit your CPU to the 70%, decrease your brightness and turn off your 5G. Okay, so these are the things that you can done to resolve this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.